Hello, friends. It is your favorite Scrum Master here, Anna Bangum. And if I'm not your favorite Scrum Master yet, don't worry about it because by the time I'm done, I will become your favorite. That's it. Today's conversation is really for us to just discuss whose job is it to stop and start a sprint. Is that a Scrum Master function, or is that a product owner's function? Is that a team's function? And I know, don't be disappointed, it all depends. It depends on two things, for me at least. One, it really depends on your organization, right? Most organizations have limited Jira admin access for just product owners and Scrum Master. So in that event, either a product owner or a Scrum Master can start and stop a sprint. In the event where product owner or Scrum Master is not there, that's something that either role could, Scrum Master preferably, would try to figure out like who would be able to do that and put the request for the next person to have that access. It could be a tech lead or a business analyst, right? The other part that I want to cover here is it also depends. Let's say that Jira access was not on the table, right? Anybody should be able to start and stop a sprint. It also just depends on the team maturity. Some teams are still trying to understand what is expected of them. So in that case, the Scrum Master would do that, the product owner would do that, business analyst, tech lead, right? Whoever can be able to do that should be able to do it, right? Because the whole point of us Scrum Masters is to help our team to self-organize and self-manage. Most of the time when we're on a team, we do all these things. People has this assumption that this is part of a Scrum Master role. In reality, I don't personally think it is a Scrum Master role to start or stop the sprint. It is a good thing, right, to do to support the team so they don't have to worry about it. But I don't think it's part of our function to do that. I do think that is important for anything that we're doing on the team to have visibility so the team members know what is being done. In the case where we're not there, they should be able to still function as normal and natural as possible, right? With that being said, if you are going to be on vacation, we already know that the product owners or the business analysts, in that case, product owners, business analysts, at least in the past, that what I've done is have them already set to do the backlog refinement, to do the sprint planning, as well as the review, right, / demo. And then when it comes to daily stand-up, anybody on the team can pick up that. Retrospective, anybody on the team can pick up that. When it comes to retrospective, I'm not going to go too deep into this. When a team member does retrospective, it really helps them in building trust within each other, right? I cannot stress this enough that it's a really good opportunity for team members to step up to be able to take, some type of accountability in doing this or take part in participating in this, as it just fosters more collaboration among each other. But to the main point, as far as like who should start and stop a sprint, it really just depends. It depends on the two factors that I've mentioned, right? One is your organization. Most organizations normally just give access to product owner and Scrum Master because they don't want everybody to go in there and be able to delete stuff, and they just want, right, licenses are just limited, right? And then secondly, we talk about maturity, right? Based on how mature your team is, then they should be able to do that with or without a Scrum Master being there. So those are the pointers that I wanted to share. I got this message from an inbox, somebody saying I should call it out. As minor as it may seem, it can keep somebody up at night. I promise you, right? But I just wanted to put this out there. The goal of me sharing, of course, is to help inform you, and so you can make informed decisions on how you work. And I hope this was helpful. If it's something you want to see again, please go ahead, like, comment, and share with your friends and family so I can become their favorite as well, right? All right, don't keep me for yourself though. Share me. That's it. Thank you so much. Bye.